welcome to my channel. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a shop here, very close to my house, not too far away, about 20 minutes drive with my bicycle. You guys know that my car is my bicycle. My bicycle is my car. Though I use electric bicycle. I am here now to buy some African food items. So come and shop with me. So I bought some things, I've picked some things that I want to buy. Here you can see I have a turkey, beef. Sorry, you know, because of this situation, I have to put on hand gloves for safety. So I have this smoked goat's beef. I also have here with me banga. I like this one. I was using the other one, Prince something. Praise, yeah. But when I discovered this one,
it's very
very nice and
tasty.
Yeah, that is why I started using this one. I bought this also. Sweet beans. I bought sweet beans. This is catfish. I bought catfish. I want to use it for salad soup. Correct is salad soup. That's why I bought this catfish. This is a body. Cow stomach. White beef. A body. Guinea oil. The reason why I always buy this oil is because this oil is very good. I've been using this oil for years now, and it's very, very good. You know, it's not like some of oils that when you use one, like for example, you want to cook like abono soup. You know, your abono can be good, and if you use oil that is not good, it can spoil the soup for you. The soup will start, you know, will give you color, maybe black color or something, and some of abono will not even draw because of the oil. But with this oil, is very, very to make your soup come out very, very nice and delicious the way you want it to be. And of course, you guys, you see, I bought also garlic. Of course, you know that you cannot buy all this and you don't have garlic. Garlic is not included. That means your shopping is not completed. And I bought also some plantain. For plantain, I think I have to pick some more plantain. This one,
I can see me. I can see me your back. So angry. Oh, sorry.
Let me go to my bicycle and bring my shopping bag.
Can you open it?
You guys see my bicycle? I've shown you guys this bicycle sometimes ago. It's one of my videos. With this bike now, when I put my food stuff in this bag, I will pack some and put some in this side, and this side of the bicycle also I'll put the rest of the food stuff. I'm just coming from the open market now, and I bought from the open market I bought this, and I also buy carrots also from the open market, and also in the shop I bought baby milk for my grandson. So I'm going inside now to put the things that I bought in my bag.
If you want more, not
This one is going. We have to go to the bicycle direct because it cannot go into the bag and And this one also will go to the other side of the bicycle. The other back side of the bicycle. So let me put the small things in my bag. This is a shop that is making us to feel you know, that we still belong to Africa. We are from Africa. Because it's here, when we come to this shop here, you buy, you can see everything you want, every African food stuff you want. This is the place you can get it to buy. So that is why a lot of us patronize this our dear sister here. And our food stuff is not expensive. We are all cheap. Let me show you guys as I'm going to put this one in my bicycle. Come and see.
Come here so that you see.
Hey, come and
see her.
Why you there? What you doing?
I came with my jacket because I was thinking maybe because sometimes when it's sunny in the afternoon, before the day goes down, sometimes it's cold. So that is why I came with this one. Because don't forget I said I have to bike for about 20-25 minutes before I get to my house. So now, the bicycle also have a box where you can buckle it.
Boy, I saw yours.
Is this one the sugar one or the salt one?
Yes, the sugar one.
Where's the salt one?
Is the yellow the one? The yellow. Yeah.
So that when I'm on my bike, as I'm biking, I'll be throwing something in my mouth. So.
Hello guys, this is my Jenny's Tropical Center here in Enschede, the African shop in Enschede. Please, this is the city center, whatever you're looking for, because we do have people from Germany. From here to Germany, it's about 20 minutes drive, just very close to the border. If you want any African food, I do have it here. I also do home delivery. If you order from 50 euros, I will just bring it down to your doorstep, please. So anytime, any day, if you want to ask about this shop, I'm Jennifer Briggs from River State. So feel free and come and visit my shop. Thank you very much. I love you, and my address is Cotterendelos Tract, Acting B. My telephone number is 0031 5343 408. No, sorry, 0031 5343 408. Thank you very, very much. As you can see, because of the corona, we are all trying to keep safe. 1.5 meter. Thank you guys. I love you. And she's also a big auntie here. She's not living too far. She do come here to anytime, anything she's looking for. This is the place. She do come and pick them up. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Bye bye.
If somebody wants to shop like a home delivery, how do you do that?
What we do is, if you order up to 50 euros, you just text me all what you need. I put it in my car, bring it. But if you are living far from me, what I do, I just put everything in one full box and then post it. But I don't pay the postage. The person will pay the postage.
Okay, the posting money to post it is not among
yes,
the.
Yes,
okay.
No, it's not included.
Okay.
Though it's not too expensive also.
Okay.
I think it's about €6.50. They can just post it. If you are buying a lot, it's about €6.50.
To post it.
To post it, yes.
And how many days of this does you think it will take to reach that person? How long?
2 days.
2 days.
Within Netherlands, it's just 2 days.
Okay.
If I post it today, sometimes they can get it tomorrow or the next day.
Okay, that is nice.
Yes. In Germany, maybe it takes about 3 days. Sometimes there is a little bit of delay because the customer do ask me that they've not received the goods because it's not within Netherlands. So anything outside Netherlands, you get it in 3 days, max 3 days.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Now, as you guys heard what she said, that somebody can buy things and then she will ship it down for the person. Okay. Now guys, as you can see, I finished my shopping. Now I'm about to start going because the weather is a little bit cloudy outside. I think it's like the rain is threatening, like see if it wants to rain. So I want to quickly start going back now to where I live. So you guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. God bless you. Bye.